Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to send message with Jitter effect on iPhone iOS 18. So if your iPhone is running on latest iOS 18 and now you want to use part of the text effect which is called Jitter, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to send message with Jitter effect on iPhone iOS 18, all you need to do is go ahead and open the iMessage app on your iPhone. Then once you open it, go ahead and type your message. So once you type your message, highlight the part of the message you want to add the jitter effect to, just like this. And once you highlighted that, then you can also extend the highlights like this, just like this, to cover part of the text you want to add the jitter effect to. Then on the pop, you should see text effect. If it is not on the pop, just swipe like this. Then you're gonna see the text effect. And once the text effect comes up, go ahead and click on that. Then once you selected that, locate the text effect on the page. Then you're gonna see what is called jitter. Go ahead and click on jitter. Then you see the highlighted part of the text jittering. Then click outside and hit the send button. Once you hit the send button, if you see the part of the text jitter, so that is basically how to send the message with jitter effect on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.